The Saint Benedict Crucifix is a very special crucifix. When blessed by a priest using the special blessing of the Benedictines, it becomes a powerful sacramental that will protect you and your family. The crucifix, when placed in a God-fearing home, living in a state of grace, will protect the family from both bodily and spiritual harm. Saint Benedict himself was miraculously protected by God from death due to poison. His story is a beautiful reminder that through his intercession, we too can be protected from bodily and spiritual harm. Write the blessing for a Saint Benedict Crucifix. Please place the crucifix near the phone speaker. Banal na Panginoon, makapangyarihang Ama, Diyos na walang hanggan, basbasan mo ang krusipihong ito upang makatulong sa kaligtasan ng tao. Hayaan mong ito'y maging tagapagtanggol ng pananampalataya, tagahimok upang gumawa ng kabutihan sa kapwa, sa ikaliligtas ng mga kaluluwa. At naway magdulot ito sa amin ng kaaliwan, pagsanggalang at kalasag laban sa malupit na mga palaso ng kaaway. Nawa ang simbolong ito ng kaligtasan ay maging banal at nawa ang lahat ng luluhod at mananalangin sa harapan ng krusipihong ito ay makatanggap ng kalusugan at kaginhawahan sa pamamagitan ni Kristong aming Panginoon. Amen. Oremus. Benedict Domine Iesu Christi, hanc crucem per quam eripuisti mundum a potestate demonum, et superasti passione tua suggestorem peccati, qui gaudebat in prevaricatione primi homines, per ligni vetiti sumptionem, sanctificetur hoc signum crucis in nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen.
Bachto reptentane